Now realize that vision and why are the only two things that actually move the needle. If you have no vision, you don't know what direction your why is driving you towards. You're completely lost. And everybody wants to talk about what about your values and shouldn't we follow our values and should we hire based on our values? I mean, to me, I think that's completely funny. If you have to look back on your quote unquote values, are these things you really value? It's like telling yourself, remember, you love your wife. This is essentially who you are. This should be innate, not something that you look at on a piece of paper to remind yourself.
But how does it work? Like, if you need a sign to remind you to laugh, are you all right? You go through your house and you see it and you're like, oh, I almost forgot. Like, talk to someone. You are not okay.
Now, we spent an absorbent amount of time trying to craft the perfect mission statement and find our core values. But at the end of the day, it was more complicated than it needed to be. So I want to make sure you don't waste your time on that and instead start feeding your why and fulfilling your vision. You know, most mission statements are made up of just ideals, but not the truth of what drives individuals at their core. You know, a lot of mission statements say stuff like, we will be best in class and blah, 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 blah. All jargon and BS. I mean, what the hell is best in class even mean? Is this really these companies' missions? I doubt it. Is this why they're in business? Hell no. Your why is the real mission statement, and we're going to get you clear on your why.